Welcome back, all the designers and crafters. Today, I want to talk about one of the parts of the all free access of Creative Fabrica, the subscription. You can get it 1 month free, and then every month they will charge you $9 per month. If you don't want it, you can unsubscribe from it. But I'm telling you, this deal is amazing. I will leave the link in the description below. You cannot miss this deal. It's amazing. And one of the parts of this deal is the CF Spark, Creative Fabrica Spark AI. And here are the different things that you can create. You can create art, you can create text, you can create patterns, create PNGs with transparent background. You can create sketches, you can create images. And here you can also go and see all the creations that are already done. But you can create your own here. And the first one we're going to do this, we're going to text. I'll show you how to do the text. When you select text, this part will open. Okay, and in the text, this is amazing. It's amazing. In the text, you have Etsy listing, how you can create the Etsy listing and everything. Text for greeting cards, for articles, for Facebook ads, for cold email. Okay, the first one, let's go to Etsy listing. Select on it. Okay, and here you see Etsy, your store name. It will help you find the store name, to write the bio, to write product listing, and to write description. Let's go here. Let's see store name. Okay, here it shows you how you can create this, how you can create, find the store name. Find a name for your Etsy store in seconds. What kind of products do you sell? You see, that's the question. Let's say I'm selling custom tumblers. Okay, let's say I'm selling custom tumblers. What product am I selling? Let's see, I'm just giving you an idea how this works. Custom tumblers. What you would like to include in your name, in the name of your store. Let's say I put my name. Oh no, not here. Custom tumblers. Let's say I put my name in here. My name. Oh, comma. Amazing. Pretty, high quality. I'm just putting some things, but you know what I mean. High quality. Okay, English. Okay, now we're going to let the system create a store name for us. Okay, create a name. Saskia's amazing tumblers. Pretty tumblers by Saskia. Saskia high quality tumblers. Amazing custom tumblers. Pretty custom tumblers. Okay, let's say I don't like them. I will delete them. And I will run it one more time. Run it again. For it still to come up with something for me. Saskia tumblers. Amazing tumblers. You see all of them. Custom tumblers by Saskia. Saskia amazing custom tumblers. Pretty. If you don't like the words you see, like all these words, if you don't like the words you see, hey, it has this twice here. Saskia's tumblers. Saskia's tumblers. If you don't like the words you see, the names, you can go in here and change the words. Okay, and change the word. Let's say I say Saskia. Let's say female. Female mama and stuff. Let's see if we can find something else. I'm just showing you how you can use it to find something, so you can find all these names as CashApps. Mama's tumbler for mama custom cups, tumblers by Saskia. Let's get tumblers. Mama, you see, you'll find a different name combination, and then the one you want, you can take that. You can copy this and then take the ones you want in. Tumblr from customized tumblers by mom. You know what, you get the idea. Okay, now we go to the bio. Okay, what kind of products do you sell? We said we were doing custom tumblers. Okay, custom tumblers. your store name. Let's say we choose Saskia Amazing Tumblers. Saskia's oh, Saskia's Amazing Tumblers. Let's say we choose that name. Why did you open the store? Okay, to supply mothers no to supply, let's say we want to sell tumbler cups for mothers and for females, to supply female moms with tumblers they can use on the go or while at work. Okay, that's some, you know your reason why you opened the shop. When did you open the shop? 2023. My name was, something about me. I love to drink and I want my drink to be fresh all the time. Just an idea time. Okay, let's see what we can do here. You can put more words, you can write more things down, create content. So it will create the bio, the store bio. Okay, welcome to Saskia's Amazing Tumblers. Here you'll find a great selection of custom tumblers, perfect for use on the go or while at work. I started this store in 2003 to supply females, moms with tumblers they can use on the go or while at work. I love to drink and I want my drink to be fresh all the time. I personally design and heat paint each tumbler so you can be sure you're getting a one-of-a-kind product. Thanks for stopping by. I would go in here and change some things in here, but this bio is pretty nice. So you can use CF Spark Writer to create Etsy things for you, Etsy store name, the bio and everything. And then you copy all this, you copy it right here, you see it copied, and then you paste it in your Etsy, on your Etsy shop. Also in this video down there in the description, I will leave a link where you can get 40 free listing with Etsy to open a new shop, a brand new shop if you don't have a shop yet. Okay, let's go to product listing title. What are you selling? Let's say custom, let's say tumbler, 20-ounce tumbler, 20-ounce tumbler. Keywords, I have African American, mom, working, stay at home. Okay, let's create a listing title. Let's see what it will be. African, stay at home, mom, American. Those title, I don't find myself with the title. You add words in here that you want to refer back to your product with. You've put in words here that that will describe your product the best. Maybe you can put all of these, but play with it and find a title that you see that fits with your product. Also go back on Etsy and see, check people who are selling like the same products as the ones you want to sell, and then you can see what they put in their titles. And if some of the titles describe your product, you can take some of those words and put them in your title also. Okay, let's go to the product description. Okay, product description, product color and material. The product is a 20-ounce, cost custom Tumblr. Yeah, this is other words that we had there. Unique feature to list. Let's say they are dishwasher safe. They are unique. They are dishwasher safe, unique, vibrant colored heat and cold. Yeah, you can put heat and cold in it. You can put your beverages in it. Okay, let's see what more. Everything about your Tumblr that you wanna say. Let's go with this. Who is your product meant for? Let's say females, moms, women. Just an idea. How can it be used? How can it be used? For tea, hot coffee, iced coffee, iced tea, beverages, etc. Okay, and then let's create the content. Let's see what it will be. Looking for a stylish and unique way to enjoy your favorite hot or cold beverage? Look no further than this custom tumbler. This tumbler is perfect for any African. This part we will take it out. For any female, for any female working mom or stay-at-home mom. It is dishwasher safe and comes in a variety of vibrant colors. Plus, it keeps your beverages cold or hot or cold for hours. You see, it's amazing. And if you like this, you copy it, okay? And then you copy it, and now you have a whole Etsy listing for your store. And sometimes you can keep copying your description and change up words, and so you don't have to come back here and always create a new one. You just go in and copy it and change the words, and then you have the next listing, and you copy it. When you're selling, for instance, maybe only the lids of the tumblers, like different parts, loose parts, you can come back in and brainstorm in here and gather some ideas on how to do it. Whatever you're selling, you can use the Spark writer to write your Etsy listing for you. The more you will use it, the better you will get. And this feature is also in the all access description, all access subscription of Creative Fabrica. I will leave the link below, and you can subscribe today. You have 1 month free that you can use this, and you have access to 10 images, 10 downloads, and your subscription will kick in. Okay, and you can unsubscribe anytime you want. Okay, thank you all so much, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.